Starting a life together as newlyweds offers tremendous chances and common goals. The skill of budgeting is essential to this new chapter since it is the foundation for creating a secure and prosperous future. Today, we're going to cover 6 crucial budgeting pointers that will help recently weds navigate their financial future together. How can the unity of marriage translate into financial strength and harmony? The secret lies in strategic, shared budgeting efforts. Are you ready to discover how to turn love into financial empowerment? First, understand the significance of collaborative financial planning. Marriage is a wonderful journey where lives come together, but it also presents the challenging issue of combining goals and habits. When it comes to money, financial harmony can only be attained by honest communication, shared objectives, and shared obligations. More than just numbers on a spreadsheet, it's about laying the groundwork for cooperation and trust, and making sure that each financial choice you make will support your group's goals and deepen your relationship. Imagine a future where financial discussions enhance your relationship rather than challenge it. This future is not just a possibility, it's a choice. Let's explore how to make it your reality. Number 1. Open communication. The bedrock of budgeting starts by being completely upfront about your earnings, debts, and financial objectives. Establishing mutual trust and setting reasonable expectations require this kind of open communication. Number 2, joint budget creation, a unified approach. Together, determine a budget that balances your needs and goals. This joint plan should take into consideration all outlays, investments, and savings to make sure it is in line with your shared future goals. Number 3, emergency fund. Your financial safety net, making an emergency savings equal to 3 to 6 months worth of living expenditures a top priority. This fund serves as a vital safety net against unforeseen circumstances, safeguarding your financial security and peace of mind. Number 4, discretionary spending. Freedom within boundaries. Give each partner a set amount to spend on discretionary items. This strategy protects personal autonomy while upholding the integrity of your entire spending plan. Number 5, regular financial check-ins, keeping on track. Set up regular financial meetings to go over your budget, monitor your goals' progress, and make any necessary adjustments. Together, these check-ins promote flexibility and accountability in your financial journey. Number 6, long-term financial planning, investing in your future. Don't undervalue the significance of long-term investments and retirement saving. Beginning early has a big impact on your future financial security, which emphasizes the importance of budgeting with the future in mind. With each tip, you're not just budgeting, you're investing in a shared future where financial clarity and harmony are integral to your journey. What dreams will your budget help you achieve? Marriage is a journey of learning, love, and experiences shared. By implementing these budgeting strategies into your life, you accept not only financial accountability, but also a chance for increased comprehension and connection. This journey is about creating a life together that is as rich in love and prosperity as it is about achieving financial success. As newlyweds, creating a budget is a crucial first step toward a lifetime of goals and dreams together. It's possible to create a solid financial foundation that will sustain your marriage through all of life's phases with cooperative planning, honest communication, and mutual support. Since your path is distinct, we'd be interested in learning how these pointers are influencing it. Contribute your experiences and wisdom to build a community of couples who are becoming more financially and romantically united. Please remember that this video is for educational and information purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult with a professional before making any financial decisions.